Hola, estudiantes. There is one more little piece to this chores unit that we have to do, and then we can move on and do something a lot more fun, which is la ropa, clothing. That'll be a fun topic. So I just want to remind you, there are AR verbs, ER verbs, and IR verbs, right? And how we know which one they are is by the ending, right? Lavar is an AR verb. Poner is an ER verb. Compartir or vivir, those are IR verbs because of how they end, right? You've seen these charts a million times. So let's say we were going to conjugate lavar, okay? Remember, we have our o, as, a, amos, ais, an. These are the AR verb endings. So if I have the verb lavar, which means to wash, right? So it could be lavar los platos, to wash the dishes. It could be lavar el coche, to wash the car, right? But you're going to be conjugating it for whoever does the chores, right? So if it's your sister and yourself that do the chores, right? You would say mi hermana y yo. Well, your sister and yourself would be we, right? Mi hermana y yo, my sister and I is we. Well, where is the nosotros form? It's amos. So it would be nosotros lavamos los platos. Okay? So that's what this worksheet that you're going to be working on today is about. The sub is going to be handing back your worksheet that has the questions on it. The questions are what you need to get a score for. So keep that in mind. You need to be able to answer questions. If I ask you, ¿lavas los platos? Do you wash the dishes? You want to either be able to say, sí, yo lavo los platos, or no, yo no lavo los platos. Because if I ask you to, who does it, you would answer with yo, I do it. Or it might even be mi mamá lava los platos, lava, because that would be the AF form, okay? Final thing, remember how hacer has that weird yo form, hago, right? Which isn't that weird because you guys know tener, and the yo form of tener is tango, right? Then there's one more, poner, right? Poner la mesa. I'm sure by now you've picked up the yo form is pongo. Yo pongo la mesa. So keep that in mind if you're answering a question about what you do or do you set the table, you would be answering with yo hago or yo pongo, okay? Folks, I will see you next class. Adios.